Let's see. AMD never got up. What did coin do? Coin popped straight up to that entry. I do like that entry, and I'm thinking about killing AMD to try to get that coin. Yeah, I'm gonna kill AMD, go back to coin, and try to get. Yeah, I missed it. Against 2560. I'm gonna try to get it back up at right under 25 here. See a lot of different names coming in. Let's see if it retests. No, that was it. It's back down on lows. What? Yeah, I missed it. I missed it because of the buying power issue. That was it right there. We'll see if it retests. Coin can sometimes do a retest. So we got Snow, Meta, AMD all on lows. Tesla is here trying to pop. AMD still going to lows. 121.50 low a day. It doesn't look like AMD is going to pop. What else went? It was Coin AMD. Meta, I think, was another one that dropped. Yep, 329. Let's set a low a day there. Let's just walk through everything. Tesla, still trying to pop in the low 41s. Amazon, AMD, still making its way lower. Apple, Google, coming off. Microsoft, holding up. Meta, coming in. Meta coming in. Meta and AMD coming in. AMD just selling off. Wow. Can coin pop back up there? I think it has a chance. It can really spike up like that. So we'll see if it gets back up there. I just think today might be the day that this thing starts to come in. It kind of exhausted itself. So it's worth taking a chance on that. There's AMD continuing to come in, no pop. So what did Tesla do? Can't get above 41. Cannot get above 41. There's 41 in Tesla, 41.20s. And didn't get much higher than that. Look at the wall right there. It's more of a ceiling, but let's look at coin. There's new lows on coin. Yeah, I missed that one. I'm gonna set a marker here to look at that whole set of conditions there. And here she is back above. And here's Tesla coming into the mid 41s. Mid 41s, nice little squeeze here. I'm up above 43, so we'll see if we get that. Coin. And the spread lower on coin now. Not quite as wide and nasty as it used to be. Here comes a move up into the mid 41s on Tesla. I'm going to switch out to a 9-minute here just to see a slightly different view. I might be too conservative with this 43.20. I'm going to leave it for now, but I'm also looking at that 42.50. As for coin, this might be conservative as well, but coin can really whiplash, so I don't want to chase coin down. This Tesla, though, I might have to come down to 42.30s. That's a whole point lower, though. No, I'm going to stay up at 43 for now. I'm going to be just conservative right now. I'm going to just let it come up into me. Here's the high 41s, and here's the mid to high 24s on coin. Can this thing get back up to the 90s? I'm only 20 cents away here from getting a fill. And right there, I got it. I am short coin here, 94-cent average short coin. This is going to start as a scalp. If I get something very quick, I'm going to take it. If it, and there's Tesla above 42, and going into mid 42s. So there you go. If this coin just rushes straight back down, I'm just going to take it and take the scalp and be done. What's that 50 doing? They're going to go. And I'm just going to take it right here if I can. This coin did not get it. Did not get it. And it popped straight up. Was going to try to take it down near 24. Did not get it. Pulled it. Let's see what happens. I don't like that 50 continuing to rebid there. Now above 25. Stops 25.60. Here's Tesla coming up into my offer here. Wow. Coin. But that 50 held a couple of times. I did not like that. So we'll see. I mean, it got down to the teens here, and I couldn't get a cover down there. And Tesla trying to reach up. I still like that 43 area for the short, so I'm gonna leave that down there. I'd like to see if coin can return back down to 24 and start moving lower, but we'll see. Here's the 50s again, and just nobody pushing into those 50s on the tape. Spread widened out again. It was 5 cents when I got in on the entry, I think. Now it's flirting with 20-something cent spreads, but we'll see. Just saw Nvidia go to lows. We really got to get a 50 offer to hold. Here's 42s on Tesla. Can this coin return back down to lows? Back above 25. That's not good. That's not what I'm looking for. And this thing is looking like it might stop me out here as it's heading up into, 50, 60 cents. So going to end up taking a stop here on coin. Short, I had it down there for the small scalp, and I did not take it. And now jamming up here. So that's how coin can be. It can be really whippy and nasty, although right now it's coming straight back in. But I think the likelihood of getting stopped here, I'm only 10 cents away, is very high. And let's see what Tesla's doing. Tesla just hanging out around that mid 42, couldn't really get back up above to get up to the 43s. So Here's coin back down here. Let's see what this looks like. Are they able to drive an offer back down below 25? Bid fell below 25. Will that offer step down? Not really, no. What was the highest that Tesla got to? It got up to 42.44, which was right on that, basically right on that node that I was saying would be a middle ground spot. Here's coin popping up. I'm going to get stopped out right up here at 60 cents. There's the stop out on coin. Did not get the fill down there and ended up paying for it. So we set a marker there for coin. Thought today could potentially be the day of this thing starting to really fade, but looks like I'm wrong. So at least for now, I'm wrong. So let that one go. Not gonna participate in that one again, at least not until something else sets up. I thought that was a pretty good setup, and it looked like it wanted to go, but I guess not. Check, check, 1, 2. Just got stopped out on the Apple long here for the reversion long idea. It looks like I was maybe too early or just wrong, but weakness continues. Market continues to sell off. I am looking at this coin. I tried to get back in as it did drop new lows, and I'm looking to try to piece a way in. I'm actually thinking about putting another piece on at 23.40. I have some out at 23.70, but I think I'm going to try 23.40 as well. And this coin is, they're starting to sell it now. There's Microsoft on lows, there goes Apple. So Apple, that idea failed. Microsoft, new lows. What else did we get? Apple stopped out. Let's go ahead and put coin over here. I'm curious if Apple gets back above, but no, I was just wrong. So on this coin, up in the 23s, kind of spread out. I've got a couple of different entry spots in these 23s. See if we can come up and get any of those. On the Apple, we'll see if that's like the bottom of the day and it just rockets from here. It might be. I might have to try it a second time to get in, but I'm not going to yet. Let's see. With this coin, I think the buying is done. It's down 4%. I'm trying to find a way in, trying to fight a way into this coin. So see if I can get any of that. Go back on pause, go back to work. Check, 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 1, 2. It is 11:10. I did not get filled on any of the coin, and here we go. There's that move that I was looking for, down into the 119, 118s even. I wouldn't be surprised if it got down to 116, where there's a huge volume node on the higher time frames. This is a failure on my part to take advantage of this. I was trying. You can see up here, I was trying to get short as it broke down to new lows. I was trying, just too conservative. I tried up here, couldn't get short, tried here, couldn't get short, and then I tried one last time here, couldn't get short, even staggering my entries. Down here, the risk reward doesn't make sense anymore. So pretty frustrating, and something that I'm going to need to study what I can do differently to try to get involved in these. It's almost like once you start to see the selling come in there, you do have to chase it down and just be very tight with the risk. Like it just would not pop up there for me. I could not get filled up here. And I tried multiple times to get filled in these 23s, 24s, and once it's getting down here and starting to base down here and under the low of the day, given everything context-wise on the daily and the higher time frames, need to be finding a way into this. So this is never mind the first attempt up here in the morning earlier in the session. This is the missed opportunity here is the biggest most painful piece for me. This I don't really care about in the sense that it's not a big deal. Like I tried, it didn't work, move on, and I did a good job of trying again. But the failure on my part to not find a way in to this coin when I was just telling myself all morning, this is it, today's the day. We finally reversed. We're coming in, and not being able to find a way in. That's a big I don't know what the word is, but that's not what I want. I want to study what happened here this evening and try to find a way to take advantage of these. So I'm going to shut it down today. 0 for 2 here. Had coin in the morning, had Apple. What did Apple even do? It got back up to 189 briefly and then came back in. So was wrong on Apple, was wrong on coin, and then couldn't find a way back into coin. And that was the easy money right there on that push down. That was it. That was the weak longs puking their swings probably. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to head off to work.